guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be looking at the new Accurate Piggy Roleplay Construction site here. So there's a button right here. It's called Accurate Piggy Roleplay Construction site. A construction site owned by NASA company has been put to an end due to a terrible snowstorm. About the workers, they didn't know it was coming. Are you brave enough to escape from this frosting nightmare? Do you dare to go against any bad situations you'll face? Find out by entering it. Chapter 1. And it says the difficulty is 9 out of 10. So let's start. You're finally awake. Remember what happened? I don't remember much. All I saw was a plane crashing and exploded as I hit the ground walking. Right. Trust me or not, pilot partner slowly turned to infected while we control. Oh well, that's unexpected. I should have come to a parachute today, but here we are. Enough talking. We need to move on. Sorry. I'll come back to assist you. My legs is hurting. Now get up. Alright, so we have 15 minutes to do this. So basically, don't start. Popped out of the ground. All Leah's head has been loosened. What does that mean? So this is escape. Estimated launch 5/25/22. We are not responsible funding. Okay, something. It's actually pretty cool so far. So we need the dynamite there. Maybe we need Oh god, you died. Alright. So we got teleported back to us. So let's just try again. I think it's only single player, I believe. Alright. It's actually pretty nice. Big. I don't know where to go. So basically, the way from the story right now is that we've fallen from a plane. There's an infected right there. I think that's the co-pilot. Maybe. Because it says the co-pilot got infected, or it's just a guy from the construction. Wait, do we need the axe right there? Because it looks like... we need the axe right there, so... I'm not going to go up all the way, I'm just going to get the axe. I saw the plane. It was over here somewhere. I think we just have to walk. Oh yeah, it's up here, I think. No, that's the escape. Oh yeah, it's like past this thing. We're back at spawn. It's not as big as I thought it was. Maybe is it right here? No. It's one of these places. I think it might have been up there. I know you had to go up. Is that the code? Wallies? Alright, let's check up here. It's not there. Yeah, I think it's up here. Got the pickaxe. The pickaxe. Where is it here? No, that's crowbar. We need. Alright. We need a ladder. At least there's a lot of places in jump. Must be a rock somewhere. Well, this is a construction site. Alright, I think I have. So far. I don't know. No, I think I just blocked up. Oh wait, no. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Oh. Just infected? And he just froze. I gotta get away from this guy. Seems like. Great. Got stuck in a trap. There he is. Get away from him. I'm guessing there is something. There's gotta be something in here. I saw this. There's a few shovel spots around here. Not right there. Oh, there's one right there. This doesn't seem too hard. I thought blue key. Didn't we see that? It was up. Right? Wait, where'd the other guy go? Is it? Wait. Ooh, ladder. We need that. So, come on, take it. There you go. It's a bit hard to pick up these items. It must be a bit glitchy then. I know the ladder. Oh. Right there too. I was doing so good. Oh god. No, I'm gonna cut until I get farther along. Okay. Okay guys, so I have the blue key again and I'm gonna use it right here. So it says you need it right here. Sorry. I have, let me just, Never mind. I'll just do. Wait. Let me just put do not stir on. Alright, alright, so we got the dynamite now. And I saw the dynamite. I know it's on one of these crates. So this is kind of actually a little hard to do. Because because the shovel part is kind of a little bit bugged. Oh, wait. Oh god, there he is. He's right there. Kind of a little hard to get the shovel because it's going. Because now I can get the axe and get that all done fast. But it's hard to get. It's hard to get. Kind of. Yeah, it's just kind of hard to get. You just get. You gotta figure out. I know I saw it. Wide open. Right, he's up. Oh, we gotta fix it. Okay, we got the wrench. Alright, crowbar is in there. Alright, so the wrench is in there. Now we gotta get the crowbar. I have the crowbar, and now we put it right here. We need something. I know we need something. I think we have to get that ladder. I've looked everywhere. What the heck? Then we just gotta get that ladder. Wait, what do we need here? I don't know. We need someone around. Alright, so I'm gonna place the ladder now and activate that guy, but go quickly. Because we need that robot, I believe, away. It's kind of hard to figure out where to go in this map. We have 8 minutes. So, I'm going to place it down and quickly go. Wait, I'm going to scan the area. Oh, yeah, we need the crowbar up here. I forgot. Okay, we got to go with the crowbar. Fast. That guy's ain't coming out. So, the crowbar's up here. Oh. Oh, I get it. Every time there's a new bot, the other one freezes. So there's actually. Okay, we don't have to worry. No, 2 bots. Okay, that's pretty cool mechanic though. Like how the bots freeze. Like this one woke up, and then after the guy got whatever the pilot guy he got. When he got unfrozen, alright, yeah, when he got frozen, alright, so, yeah, like, when the pilot guy came up, the guy that we woke up when we got the axe, oh, come on, I'm just gonna do this off camera, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I have the white key now. So basically, what happens after you use the crowbar up on that, you get the gas, and then when you use the gas, whatever his name is, your friend guy. I got the green key. Alright, I already got down here. So I got the green key now, and I haven't seen it. Okay, we still have to use still a bunch of stuff. Okay, he got some. So I'm betting we're gonna have to use the green key in a bit. And also, so basically the guy uses the robot. Alright, what did he get? He got the white key, because I already got the green key, I think. Or he's going somewhere. Alright, okay, I gotta figure out where this green key goes. Alright, what's this? Oh, it's on. And we use it right here. Alright, here we go. And now, what we need now is something for that concrete floor thingy. Alright. Let me see what's in his pocket. I'm guessing we're gonna get okay. A lighter. Oh god, no. Oh, we got a stick up there. There's supposed to be useful and dark places. Well, we gotta figure out where the dark place will be. Maybe over here? I don't know. Somewhere is a dark place. Maybe inside? Okay, we got away from here. Now we can grab it. I'll go check. Alright, we gotta figure out where we can use this. Right here. Oh god. Oh, okay, Alright, we're in a tomb now. Okay, is there... X. Okay. Yes. Alright. Now. Okay. Almost. Don't forget that black liquid you set is really toxic. Use it. Alright. Yes. Alright, we got a screwdriver. Now I think we're gonna escape. Hey. Alright. You're hallucinating? My gracious. I didn't realize I was having a heart attack already. Thanks for reminding. Oh, wait. Should have get gas mask on. Let me my mistake to inform you. Oh, our screws. Always hated them as they kept on stepping. And we're ready to take off, finally. Alright. Let's leave. Alright. Okay, we escaped. I think? I don't know. Okay, yeah, we completed construction site. Oh, that didn't take long. It only took a few tries. Now that we're done, I'll control this helicopter. I'm gonna extract. Washy. Alright, we're gonna land when we find signal from boat. Get in. It's no more safe out here. It's not safe out here. I can tell Taylor Swift isn't that good at English. Cause I know he's not from the United States. He doesn't. I know he speaks English though, but location? I don't think so. When I'm dealing with one huge problem. That's that we're running out of gasoline. It's a terrible sign. You must land somewhere else even when you can't see clear. Oh, that's easy for you to say. How can you be so terrible? What if we're in the middle of an ocean? Fine, but is this proper system working? I don't know here. Yeah, it does, but it's been broken since we took off. That's why it took me an hour to view places. By the way, I think the toxic effects having a replay is like a roller coaster again. Everything I see quickly turning black. Wait, I see a huge building. So, thank goodness we can finally land. I hope there's no troublemakers there. Oh god. Oh no. Oh great, you passed out at this point. Sir, you need care to heal this. Oh, we're at the Accurate Piggy Roleplay place. The hotel thing. What's on this building? I need to see. I bet we're gonna meet Traveler in the next chapter. Do we continue? Well, that wasn't too hard. My thoughts on this. It was an excellent thing. Pretty, so much good animation. Oh, the storyline was good. I wonder. What's that? I wonder if we have any of the people. Wait, it must be bad. Yes, you get. So I think you get. Okay, you get all these things if you get the map. Here. We have this guy. We have Wall.